to talk with John Carro, and I'd like to focus on the pending civil case. As I said before, we don't know if and when the case is slated to go to trial, but the plaintiff's attorney happens to be Jeffrey Feiger, the man who most people know as longtime attorney for Dr. Jack Kevorkian. Hypothetically, you are the plaintiff's attorney. You represent Scott Amador and his family. What's your challenge?
Well, I mean, this case does push the known limits of a wrongful death case in terms of the foreseeability. However, if you can show that there was a sort of ambush, that this was set up, that they meant to put him on the air, national TV, to ridicule him, it's not stretching it that far to say that it is foreseeable that some violence might come of this. We see how hate crimes start. We see discrimination against homosexuals. It's not really pushing it that far to say that this is predictable behavior when you set someone up like this in these circumstances.
But can they be held responsible, even if it's predictable? Can the show really be held responsible? Let's talk about the foreseeability. Let's talk about the proximate cause of, here we have Jonathan Schmitz realizing that his secret admirer is gay, and 3 days later we have a murder. How do you connect it?
Well, that's the hard part of this case. The 3 days in between, were there intervening acts? For instance, the letter that was left on his doorstep, what happened when he got back to the small town and people ribbing him. The things that may have occurred in the 3 days might make it much harder to prove that case. But remember, a judge has already ruled that this case presents enough questions of fact that it hasn't been thrown out. So we may very well see this case go to the jury.
What's your prediction, John Carro? If it goes to a jury?
Tough case. Tough case to win.
That's cheat. Oh, tough case to win. I thought
tough
you said
case to win.
Okay.
Tough case to win.
John Carro, thanks so much for the last couple of hours, and I'm sure we'll see you here again on Court TV very soon. Well, that's all the time.